I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is Formidable Forms. Select a form. Click Next. Now here search and select Encharge. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API, please visit Encharge API console. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Give one or multiple tags. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Encharge. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Encharge. Here is the data that came into Encharge through the integration. Thanks for watching our video.